Right guys, fish on. First one on the top water. That is it guys, that is it. See amount of pepper guys. Make some nice Escovitch sauce. Hartman Adventures at them man. Yeah, good morning, good morning. Yeah man, I don't know Dre again with Hartman Adventures. Yeah man, we're out upon another fishing adventure this morning. Another early morning fishing adventure, you know. Some minutes after 5 you know. But you know, sun is up and high already. Outside look very nice and bright, but as you guys can see, water still look like glass this morning. So yeah man, we'll see if we can try a few lures and thing. See if we can get anything, but if I don't get anything, I'll move to another spot and see if we can find something there. So just stick around, stay tuned. Remember to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family if you can. Yeah man, and just wait around and see what go on. Right guys, fish on. First one on the top water. Fish on guys. Huh? Yeah. I'm not sure how it though. Top water this morning. On jack. On jack. Eh? Oh, a nice dinner size jack this. A nice jack man. Nice jack. Yeah man. Got him on the spook. Got him on the spook this time. Alright, drop him in the cooler. Guys, that's number one for the day. I was casting out, wasn't getting any hits. Turned off the camera. Second cast after I turn off the camera. Got the hit. Right. See if anything else out there. See them there? No? He stop chasing, man. Me slow down the lure and he stop chasing. Yeah. The second one look like one barra. Hey, the sun hot already, you know. Wow. Tell us they just want to sit where break up the surface. Yeah, man, that's a barra. Hit it now, man. Ah! Ah! Eh? Yeah, he hit it, you know, but he never bite funny properly. Yeah, that is it, you know, guys. That is it. That is it. Feel tired and burn out, you know. Probably about 3.5 hours worth of casting I do. Don't get a single hit. Normally when you're out here cast on the flats, you normally see beat fish them and all of that. Don't see a single school of beat fish today, so just I gotta go and relax a little bit, wait for my clothes to kinda dry, and then head home. If I go home and I feel the vibes, I might fry up the fish here and make some Escovitch sauce and something. Maybe, if I feel like it when I reach home. Depends how I feel when I reach home. And I might add it to a video, so yeah. But yeah, big up on yourself again. Thanks again for tuning in. Yeah, man, enough love, enough respect to all of you guys for always tuning in and sending the love. Big up yourself, Connecticut, New Haven, Connecticut, CT, Venture for Adventure. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, Lisa, and So at TV, Butterfly, all of you guys, big up on yourself. Quite a number of you guys for big up. Dragon Nation, yeah, man, Tony Dan, yeah, big up on yourself. I just call the names them as them come to me, so don't feel left out if I not shout you out now. One idea you will get your shout out too. So big up on yourself. Thanks again for tuning in, and catch you in the next adventure. Alright, boom. You guys are gonna get a little piece of bonus clip, cause just reach home, wash off the gears and everything. Watch it. Fire light up. I do a little bit of frying up and sitting. Just get a little something fresh for Arsenal. This is gonna come out on a camping trip, so you guys have to go look out for that, you see me? Look at that. Eh? Say no more, no nah, say no more yet. But guess what? Let's stick around. I'll do something more. Alright, so I have a fish cut up right there, so have a couple seasoning over there, so see if I can get them seasoned up real quick. Feel a little bit of rain a drop, so rain will start fall soon, so I see if I can get everything sorted out. So stick around, see if I can get this thing done as quick as possible. today is my big sister's birthday, but she not gonna see that video here until after her birthday. So happy belated birthday, even though your birthday. Happy belated birthday, big sis. Love you always. Some plantain. Off the mountain.
What are you gonna do? Mix sauce?
So Escovitch, you know?
Season, some plantain. Gonna say a little pepper for dropping if you get a little flavor. So you know, say it's no joking thing.
That is it now.
I understand.
See amount of pepper, guys. Make some nice Escovitch sauce. Is it, guys? That is it. That smells sweet. Right guys, yeah, finally done everything. But see if I can show now. It's a little bit dark out here now still, but yeah, see ya. Some fried fish and bread, some plant, you see me? Escovitch sauce. So yeah man, we'll see if we can share and start eat some food and also.
Pink sauce.
Yes man. The pepper, you know? The pepper man, the pepper, yeah. The pepper man, the pepper bad, trust me.
How much pepper you put in?
Enough. The pepper.
I got this.
So yeah.
Behind the camera.
So yeah. That's mine right there. So that is it now guys. That's pretty much it. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks again for staying to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're about to have some little bit of brunch or dinner right now. So thanks for tuning in and catch you guys in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.